establish position of your backflow. Lower the catheter, parallel to the skin, and then advance the catheter. So, you advance this way. Okay, that way. And then, after advancing, continue to press the catheter, and then pull the needle. Okay, we will do it na sa dami. Okay, so, ako nasanay ako na ganyan, so ganyan ang pagtawag ko. Na-alcoholize ko natin. So, insert, patos na ako, parallel na, and then, continue to advance the catheter. Once you are in,